Welcome to our Who's the Most Important People in Electric Vehicles Today series of 12 shorts that quickly explain the real power players in EVs. If you want to know about all 12, well, just click the link in the top right hand corner. If not, watch this short. Number 6, William Li. He's the founder, CEO, visionary, and chairman of Nio Inc. We expect that most people in the US, Canada, and Europe have never heard of him, or the name of his most recent company, Nio, but we're sure you will in the near future. Like Elon Musk, Mr. Li is a serial entrepreneur who is successful with his disruptive tech. Nio makes EVs in China with the quality of a Land Rover. Nio's most interesting differentiator is that their vehicles provide battery swapping options. You can just charge the battery if you want, like you could with any other EV, or you can replace it by driving into a small container-sized building that's dropped in the corner of a parking lot somewhere, and in about 3 or 4 minutes, your battery will be swapped out with a recharged battery, so you're good to go. So it's about as fast as a gas station. So let's get into this guy's history. Li grew up in rural China, and he was so poor that the village he was in didn't even have electricity until the guy was 10. By the time he was 17, he'd pulled the highest score in Peking University's national entrance exam and went on to get 3 degrees at the same time: law, sociology, and computer science. And he did all of this while he was working dozens of part-time jobs. By the year 2000, he'd already founded 2 companies, the most notable of which is BitAuto, which is a lot like Auto Trader in Canada and the United States. He turned BitAuto from a money-losing, debt-laden firm to a multi-billion-dollar company, and in 2010, at the age of 36, he listed BitAuto on the New York Stock Exchange. In 2017, he took his car financing company public on the Hong Kong Exchange. Founded in 2014 with big money from Tencent, Xiaomi, JD.com, and some of Li's personal billions, Nio was set up in Munich, London, San Jose, and Shanghai. In 2015, Nio had won Formula E's racing championship and was producing the world's fastest autonomous supercar. In June of 2019, Nio was nearing bankruptcy. Their stock was at about $2 a share. But just like Tesla's meteoric rise, because that's about the time they were in hell as well, by January of 2021, Nio was at about $62 a share. And they are producing and selling ES6, ES8 EVs, amongst other vehicles, including their ES6. All of these are battery swap capable. Nio is worth more than GM, Ford, and Mercedes. Today, instead of being compared to Elon Musk, many compare him to Steve Jobs because of his steady, determined hand and incredible focus on detail. Although he differs from Jobs quite a bit, and that he's not stuck in his own persona. He doesn't have a fat head. He usually rides the train in economy class. He only owns a single 500 square foot apartment so his kids can be near their school, because he doesn't want to get distracted by property. Nio, and much more importantly, William Li, is somebody to watch in 2021. We'd like to interject for just 10 seconds to ask you to click like if this is the kind of thing that you like. It really helps us with the Google algorithm. And if you're interested in electric vehicles, the energy industry, high technology, things like that, please click subscribe, because that's the kind of thing we talk about. Thanks.